Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please give us your support with a like or a subscription. Hassle-free car door latch replacement, a step-by-step guide. Ever heard that annoying clunk when you shut your car door? It could be more than just an irritation. It might be a sign your car door latch is on its last legs. Car door latches are vital for keeping your doors securely closed and ensuring your vehicle's safety. Ignoring a faulty latch isn't just inconvenient, it can be downright dangerous. In this video, we'll cover why car door latches are so important, common signs that yours might need replacing, and how to handle the replacement process. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just someone who wants to keep their car in top shape, knowing about car door latch replacement can save you time, money, and stress. Let's get started. Understanding car door latches. Components of a car door latch. A car door latch consists of several key elements that work together to secure the door. The striker is the metal plate on the door frame that the latch hooks onto, keeping the door closed. The latch itself is the mechanism inside the door that locks into the striker to prevent the door from opening unexpectedly. The release mechanism, usually operated by the door handle, allows you to unlock the door and exit the vehicle. Functionality of car door latches. Car door latches play a crucial role in maintaining the safety of passengers and ensuring the door stays closed during travel. When you close the door, the latch secures it by engaging with the striker, holding the door shut even when driving over bumps or making sharp turns. This mechanism prevents the door from swinging open and keeps passengers safe inside the vehicle. Common reasons for replacement. Over time, car door latches can wear out due to continuous use, exposure to the elements, or internal mechanical issues. Rust can also develop on the latch, inhibiting its proper function. Malfunctions such as the door not latching correctly or difficulty in opening or closing the door are signs that it may be time to replace the car door latch. Regular maintenance and prompt replacement when needed can help ensure the security and functionality of your vehicle's doors. Signs that indicate replacement is needed. Struggling to open or close your car door smoothly? This could be a clear sign of latch issues. When you find yourself exerting extra force just to secure your door, it might be time to consider a replacement. A functional latch is crucial for the safety and convenience of your daily drives. Difficulty opening or closing the door. If you notice that your car door isn't opening or closing as effortlessly as it used to, the latch mechanism might be wearing out. This can lead to frustrating moments of getting in and out of your vehicle, potentially posing a safety risk. Don't wait until it becomes a bigger problem. Consider replacing the latch when you encounter this issue. Loose door handles. Have you ever experienced a loose or wobbly door handle while trying to enter your car? This could be a direct result of latch problems. The latch serves as the foundation for the entire door mechanism, and if it is compromised, the handles may exhibit unusual movements. It is essential to address this promptly to avoid further damage and inconvenience. Unusual noises when operating the door. When you start hearing strange noises like rattling or grinding sounds each time you open or close your car door, it may indicate latch complications. These unusual sounds can be a red flag for potential issues within the latch mechanism. Ignoring these auditory cues can lead to more severe problems down the road. Consider inspecting and possibly replacing the latch to ensure smooth door operation and overall vehicle safety. D versus professional replacement. When it comes to replacing a car door latch, deciding between a do-it-yourself approach and seeking professional assistance is a crucial consideration. Let's weigh the benefits and risks of each option to help you make an informed choice. D. Replacement. Embarking on a DIY car door latch replacement can be a fulfilling project for those with a knack for hands-on tasks. Here is a step-by-step guide to assist you in navigating through the process. Assess the situation. Start by evaluating the condition of the current door latch to understand the extent of the issue. Gather the tools. Equip yourself with essential tools such as screwdrivers, pliers, and a new door latch assembly. Safety first. Prioritize safety by disconnecting the car's battery and handling sharp objects with care. Remove the door panel. Carefully detach the door panel to gain access to the inner workings of the door. Replace the latch. Unscrew the old latch and install the new one by following the manufacturer's instructions. Test the door. After installation, test the door to ensure the latch functions correctly before reattaching the door panel. Professional assistance. While a DIY approach can be rewarding, enlisting the expertise of a professional mechanic for a car door latch replacement offers distinct advantages: precision and expertise. Professional mechanics have the experience and skills to execute the replacement with precision, reducing the risk of errors. Quality assurance. Entrusting the task to a professional ensures that the replacement is of high quality and meets industry standards. Efficiency. Professionals can complete the replacement efficiently, saving you time and effort compared to a DIY project. Warranty coverage. Many professional replacements come with warranties, providing you with added peace of mind regarding the work performed. Deciding between a DIY replacement and seeking professional assistance ultimately hinges on your comfort level with car repairs, the complexity of the task, and your budget. Whether you opt for a hands-on approach or prefer the expertise of a professional, ensuring a functional car door latch is essential for your safety and convenience on the road. Choose wisely based on your preferences and circumstances to achieve the best outcome for your vehicle. Cost of car door latch replacement. When you need to replace a car door latch, it's essential to understand the potential costs involved. Here's a breakdown of the expenses you might encounter. Parts costs. The cost of the door latch itself can vary depending on your car's make and model. On average, a car door latch replacement part can range from $50 to $200. Keep in mind that some vehicles may require specific or more expensive parts, which can affect the overall cost. Labor costs. In addition to the price of the part, you'll also need to consider labor costs for the replacement. The labor fees for replacing a car door latch typically range from $100 to $200. This cost covers the time and expertise required to safely and correctly install the new latch. Total cost. When you add up the parts and labor costs, the total expense for a car door latch replacement can range from $150 to $400 or more. Factors such as the complexity of the installation, the mechanic's hourly rate, and any additional services needed can influence the final price. D. Considerations. While some car owners choose to replace a door latch themselves to save on labor costs, it's essential to weigh the risks. Incorrect installation can lead to further damage and potentially higher expenses down the line. If you're not confident in your mechanical skills, it's best to seek professional help. Understanding the costs associated with car door latch replacement can help you budget effectively and make informed decisions about your vehicle maintenance. By considering both parts and labor expenses, you can ensure a smooth and efficient replacement process while keeping your budget in check. Now that we've delved into the world of car door latch replacement, it's clear that maintaining the functionality of this component is pivotal for vehicle safety and security. Timely replacement is crucial to ensure that your car doors operate seamlessly, providing the necessary protection while driving. By staying proactive and addressing any latch issues promptly, you can embark on your journeys with peace of mind, knowing that your vehicle is in top condition. Remember, safety should always be a game changer when it comes to vehicle maintenance, so don't hesitate to leverage expert assistance for any latch-related concerns. Your safety and the smooth operation of your vehicle are worth the effort. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.